So we are starting off with a little bit of cleaning in today's video, and Alan is going to be helping me out with that today. First, we are unloading the dishwasher. I decided to be nice and help him because I had to dry off some of those dishes because they still had water on them. But there was some that didn't have water on them, so he was putting those dishes away.
Than what you think, and I know it's hard. Yeah, I know.
After we finished unloading the dishwasher, I loaded it with the dishes that I had sitting in the sink, and then after I'm done doing that, Alan is going to be wiping off the countertops for me. I totally forgot about this spray bottle that I got from Temu. I forgot how much I liked using it, so I got it back out a few days ago and put some Mr. Clean in there with some water. The spray bottle is really nice because it's a continuous spray and it sprays so nice and smooth. So I'm glad I remembered that and got it out because I really enjoy using it. So that's what he's going to be using to wipe off the countertops. And then after he's finished doing that, I'm going to wipe out the sink with the same cleaner.
Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're nervous. You say you're afraid. See that I think you're brave.
And then I spotted Miss Cannoli and Miss Cookie looking super cute, so I thought I would share that. So anyways, now we are making the bed, and I had to get poor little Kiki out. She was so comfy and probably enjoying relaxing in the bed, but I had to get her out of the way so I could make the bed. I felt kind of bad though, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So after that, we headed down to the office to get some coffee, which is like a daily routine of ours. They have a nice coffee machine in the office with all the little coffee fixins. So we go down there and hang out every day, sometimes alone, sometimes with friends, but it's just something we really enjoy doing. And of course, Alan is riding his go-kart down there. And thank God we have an elevator because that would not be fun carrying this go-kart up and down. But yeah, we are taking the elevator and headed to get our coffees.
And to death.
Then we came back home, and this is how we found the gals on the couch as soon as we walked in, all cuddled up and waiting for us. So this is Miss Cannoli, she's the baby of the family. And this is Miss Cookie, our second gal. And then this is Miss Kiki, the queen. She's our first BB. And now I'm going to share a little try on with y'all. As usual, I got all of these gorgeous clothes from Amazon. I got some really cute stuff to show y'all today, and I'm actually wearing one of my shirts that I got in my last haul in today's video, the long sleeve white shirt. It is so comfy and I love it. So the first thing we have here is this black long sleeve waffle shirt. It's kind of cropped, but it works great if your pants are a little higher at the top. But I'm literally in love with this shirt. I also got it in a green color, which I'll be showing you in a second. But the material is so comfy and flowy, and it's literally perfect for this time of year. But it's also lightweight, so I could see myself wearing it in the springtime too, maybe even the summer. I'd actually like this shirt in every color because it's something that I definitely would be wearing daily and with different types of bottoms. I'm just wearing my Halara leggings right now, but these shirts would be super cute with jeans for sure. So yeah, I got it in black and in green. Next up is this satiny type tank top, which is definitely too long on me, I think, but it's so perfect when it's tucked in. It's a soft, silky material. I love this shade, especially for fall time and winter, and it's gonna look great with dress pants. It will look great with jeans as well, and it even looks cute with my blue jean jacket and my leggings. I wasn't really sure how I was gonna feel about the fit, but I think it looks pretty cute, especially tucked in. Next up is this long sleeve shirt. I got this in black and in white. It's a little bit cropped, but not too much, but it's a very nice fit and a very soft cottony material, and it's stretchy. And I paired it with this new long skirt that I just got. I haven't owned a long skirt in so long. I used to wear maxi skirts all the time and I loved them, so I decided to try this one and I really liked it. Next up, I got another longer dress. I really wish I had ordered this one when the Renaissance Festival was going on, because this would have been perfect for that. It's a baby blue long flowy dress. It's a soft material. You can wear it off the shoulders or on. I love how it has the little bow in the front and the scrunchiness in the top around the waist, and I love the sleeves on it. They're so pretty. I'm just not sure what kind of shoes I would wear with this though, so if you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments. Next up is a sweater dress. I really love this dress, but I think it might be too big on me. I'm not sure. You'll also have to tell me that in the comments down below too if you think it is too big on me. But I love the color of it. It's like an oatmeal color. It's so soft and I love the sleeves on it, but I think I need to get some sort of a belt to wear with it. Maybe that would help with the size, but it's very cute and it reminded me of something from the 60s. Next up, I got me a little nightgown here that says on the front of it, "If you love me, let me sleep," which is so me because I love my sleep, even though I don't get much sleep these days because the cats are driving me nuts. But yeah, I guess according to this nightgown, my cats must not love me because they wake me up every hour of every night, and I'm not even joking. They are killing me, y'all. But I love this nightgown. It's super soft and comfy and roomy, which I love, and it has pockets. Next up, I got these super cute short pajamas. They are a soft satin material and baby blue. The shirt has a collar and buttons and a pocket in the front. I love the ruffles on the sleeves of this top, and the shorts have the same ruffles. It's so darn cute to me and very comfy. And then next up, I got another new winter coat. I got a black and white plaid one in my last haul, but I wanted a tan one to match outfits that I would wear tan boots with, just so I can switch it up a bit. But this one has like a leather type feel, and it has fur around the neck, which is so soft. It has buttons in the front, no pockets unfortunately, but it does have a little belt you can tie around, and it's a peplum design, which is my favorite kind of style. This jacket is very comfy and very cute. If you want to check out any of these clothes, I'll have them all linked down below in the description of this video. So then I decided it was time to put up the Christmas tree, which I have totally been dreading. I've been so torn on whether I wanted to put up the Christmas tree or not, but you know, I got that little fence thing to go around the Christmas tree, so I figured why not get the Christmas tree out and set it up. So I'm moving Grandpa's table out of the way. I'm just going to put it on the other side of the table, and then I'm going to put the Christmas tree over in the corner.
If you just step right in, 'cause I need a start to let you in. Days pass and I'm still the same.
So we ended up setting up the fence around the tree, but we did not use the tools that it came with to connect it to make it like one full fence. We kind of just have it setting up around the bottom, and honestly one of the reasons why I wanted the fence around there was so the cats couldn't get in there, but the cats love the tree so much. They just love laying underneath it and stuff, and I felt kind of bad, so we kind of just have the fence setting there. That way they have the option to go under the tree if they want to, or I can make it where they can't go in there. I don't know, I'm kind of torn because they really enjoy sitting underneath the tree, so I'm probably going to keep it up, but I'm just not going to connect it. That way they have access to it if they want to. And also, I am not decorating my tree in this video. I'm not sure if I'm decorating my tree at all this year. I am still undecided. So we'll see how that goes, but it's not going to be in this video. If I do end up decorating it, it's definitely not going to be in this video because I did not do that today. Alright, so we just got back home. We were hanging out with a couple of our friends, and I did an Instacart purchase for the groceries, so by the time I got home, they were already delivered. And this is everything I got, so I'm going to do a quick grocery haul. Starting over here, we got a 32 pack of the Hill Country Fair spring water. We got 2 things of bananas. Got some H-E-B brand classic roast. This is pretty much H-E-B brand Folgers, so, but store brand. We got some lactose-free milk, some basmati rice, some all-purpose flour, some baking soda, some broccoli. We got some olive oil, peanut butter. I repurchased this because these flavors were so good. The banana one is bananas and cream, and it's delicious. We got some garlic and herb pasta sauce, some paper towels, a loaf of bread. We got some chicken breast tenders, some butter, an onion, can of green beans, can of pumpkin, non-flavored Greek yogurt. We got some eggs, we got some ground beef, and then my friend Jessie suggested that we try the lumberjack sausage. She literally just told me this today, I think, so we grabbed some. So I'll be trying that. Thanks, Jessie, for the recommendation. I hope it's good. I'm sure it's gonna be. Yeah, so this is all my little H-E-B groceries delivered from Instacart. And this week we're going to be making meatloaf. I already have potatoes, so it'll be meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and green beans. That's why we got this big thing of beef, so I could split it and do meatloaf, and then also some spaghetti. And then we got the chicken with the Greek yogurt, the broccoli, and the basmati rice, because I'm gonna be making chicken kebabs with the rice and broccoli. And then I got the baking soda, the flour, and the pumpkin, and the oil, because I'm gonna be making some more pumpkin bread. I had everything else to make it but those ingredients. And everything else, I guess, is self-explanatory. But yeah, that's my little H-E-B haul. So tonight for dinner, I made meatloaf and mashed potatoes with that can of green beans that I showed you in my grocery haul, and it turned out absolutely delicious as usual. And I got my man up here vacuuming the floor for me. There was stuff all over the floor because I didn't vacuum today and it was driving me crazy, so he got up and vacuumed for me. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button. And if you have anything to say, leave it down below in the comments, because as always, I would love to hear from you. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.